Always asking me what I got on. They be like, hey Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
What's going on with it, YouTube? What's going on with it? It's your boy B, man. We back with another one. And my goal for today, man, I gotta show hot sauce some love, man, cause you start smoking. I got oil, engine oil going in my intake, so finna change the intake gaskets. Yeah, I mean it's not hard, but man, there's nothing easy either. Yeah, get all this stuff out the way, get the top stuff out the way. Gotta drain the water out. And what else? Yeah, then I'll be able to, I gotta take the valve covers off too, then I'll be able to pop that intake off. But yeah, and I also got me some UV dye so I can check my AC once I get through doing all this stuff. But yeah, y'all, shit, I'm finna go ahead and get started on this. So I don't want my intake gases going all the way. Then I be having chocolate milk in my engine. So I'll tune y'all back in, man, once I get into the mix of it. Y'all, shoot, I know it don't look like I got much done, but shoot, I got quite a bit done so far. I got all the hard stuff done, well, most of it. Had to move the air compressor, had to get it out the way. Gotta loosen up this bracket, move it up. I don't think I have to fool with this one. I'm gonna wait and see. Got the wire harness disconnected for the spider injection. And so I just noticed I got a bunch of corrosion up in there too. Especially like up in there. So that's probably another reason why I was running flame too. Okay, now time my distributor, make sure it's on number 1. Now all I gotta do is just drain the water out and yeah, drain this water out, and then I can go ahead and start taking this intake off. Shoot, I'm gonna go ahead and take me about a quick 5, man, then I'll get back to it, man. Shoot, I smell chicken up in the house. My old lady frying up some that good old chicken. So I'm finna pull his ATRD, you know what I'm saying, go mash up some chicken. And should I get back with y'all? Yeah. Alright, y'all. I'm going to intake right there. Finally got it off. Yeah. See, I got trash bag right here so I can make sure there's no trash falling on the bottom of it. So now it's a bunch of cleaning up and re-gasketing. Because I usually, like how they say that rubber for the China rail, I don't use it because it'll leak. I've always had issues with them, so I don't use like the silicone. But yeah, y'all should see the inside. It's okay. Yeah, it's not all grimy and stuff. Same way over here. I mean, a little bit nasty, but. But yeah, that's it, y'all. So let me go ahead and start cleaning this up. I got to clean the bottom of that intake as well, and change the gasket in it also. I got the whole set. So I'm going to go ahead and get jumping on that, y'all, and I'll tune y'all back in. Oh, damn. My bad, y'all. I wanted to show y'all something. You see how it's split right there? All right here and stuff. Right there. this was my issue. You know, this was before it came out, so I mean it snapped. But even right here, this, you know, see, that's not, this was not like that. But over here, the water passages and with the intake runners, no, exhaust runners. But that's where the gasket failed. Okay, so that's a telltale sign that your gas is going bad on you. All right, y'all. I'm done with the intake. Basically, I put everything back together. I changed the seals. This that intake seal right there as well. That's it. Yeah, some of those bolts was feeling kind of loose anyway. So now, what I got going on, got my silicone sitting on. I just put it on. Stick these these bottom intake gaskets on. Yeah. These have little set pins on them, so you can't misalign them. Go to the other one right here. I also put it on like so. Yeah, and these gaskets, you don't got to put no kind of silicone in nothing on these gaskets. I know, except for, like, you know, your four corners, of course. You're supposed to put your adapter silicone on the four corners, because that's a major surface. So you won't. I always put a little bit on the top of them. These though, you don't have to. I do it. Kind of a habit. Working on the old, you know, short block Chevys, or small block Chevys, the old schools. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna let that tack up for a little bit. Then I gonna stick the intake back on as well. I gotta change the O-rings on the fuel lines, cause you gotta change the fuel. You gotta take the fuel rail off as well. So I'm gonna pop them old ones off. I got some more that came with the set. And shoot, I still got this gas. These two. This, of course, that's a triple gasket. This is throttle gasket. But I don't know if I'm gonna change it because I don't. You know, you don't have to take it off. It's on top of the intake. So yeah, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna let this dry up for, dry a little bit longer. Then set it, and I'll cut y'all back on, man. By the time I cut y'all back on next time, it should be ready to run. I just gotta put the fluids and stuff back in. Well, antifreeze back in it, and then it should be running. Let me go ahead and knock this on out, y'all. Cut y'all off. I'm gonna have to get a camera one day, man, so I can post y'all up. Just do a time lapse or something. But give you better time lapses, because the ones I was giving the last time, I know that was trash, but that'd be me posting my phone up on something. I don't got no kind of phone mount or whatever, so I may invest in one of those, so that way I can bring y'all along with me more, to see what all I be having going on and what all I be doing to achieving my goal. So yeah, the engine's still open right now, but next time y'all see it, it will be closed and should be running. Everything should be on point. Because like I said, I was getting that smoke out the exhaust. So we go ahead, cut this off, man, and get back to it. Yeah. Alright, YouTube. See, so I'll put it back together. I just came back from doing a test drive. It's running a little bit better. But I'm not noticing all the smoke, all the oil coming out from the exhaust pipe no more. Let's see. When I first took off, it was a bit cloud of smoke, but I expected that. I was using WD-40 to like lube up the the O-rings and stuff when I was putting some of the stuff back on. So yeah, I expected just a little bit of oil smoke. but I didn't see no major oil smoke or nothing. Shoot, but y'all, I did run into an issue. Shoot, I did have an intake bolt that broke on me. But luckily, the intake bolt that broke, it wasn't a blind hole. Which means, it's not a hole that goes off into the valley to where stuff can come up. Where, oil will come out and be leaking and air be leaking and whatnot. So, so what I just did temporarily, I just stuck the bolt back on there and I put some damn silicone on it. I know. It's not the right way to do it. But I can't find no damn intake bolts right now. So that's just gonna have to do for the moment. And like I said, it's running fine now. So I got all that put back together. Finally. That was a job, y'all. It was literally, it took like, I would say roughly 6 hours. Basically, that was because I was, stopping and eating and stopping and doing other stuff too. So, I mean, if I didn't have to move none of the brackets, then it would have been okay. But it's just, OBS, man. Sure, OBS life. Shit. Then I had to go to the store because this little cooling line right here, little plastic tip, right? This little plastic connector, it decided to break, so I had to go get a new one of those. Which I was kind of expecting anyway, to be honest. I was expecting that to break. So now, I guess I'm gonna probably just run some damn leak dye and some of that compressor oil. I mean, with the UV dye in the AC system. Pump it back down. Yeah, I'm kind of tired, y'all, but it's all right, man. Shoot, it ain't gonna hurt me. Just to do this last test. So I'm not gonna record that, y'all. I mean, if I do, then I do probably on another video. But I don't think I'm gonna record it, y'all. Just to be honest with you, my main goal was to just get the intake gaskets changed, which they're over there. Both the intake gaskets, the plenum gaskets, and the engine gaskets. So, yeah, I had to go buy a little UV leak setup, this thing. Now I'm just tired of spending money. Yeah, and I had to get another one of these too. The dang tip broke when I was trying to use it last time when I was on that live with L Boogie and G Money. And yeah, this is the oil I got right here. 134A, page 150, refrigerant oil, UV dye. So this will let me know where my AC is leaking from, where I have a pinhole or whatever from. But like I said, I ain't gonna bore y'all with that. I'm gonna go on here to just cut this one. I don't continue grinding it out, but I will let y'all know the progress when I do find out where it's coming from. So y'all, till the next time, it's your boy B, aka Mr. Hustlehard, getting it in for you, and I'm out.